Next, homogeneous equation. When an equation where all the terms of same degree, then it is called homogeneous equation. Otherwise, it is called non-homogeneous equation. For example, x plus y equal to 3. So power of x 1 and power of y is also 1. So this is homogeneous. Next, you can take x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 0. See, power of x 2, power of y 2, power of x and y, xy term, x power 1, y power term, y power 1, 1 plus 1, 2. That is also homogeneous. So x cube 2xyz plus y cube plus 2x square z plus 2y square z, like that you can take. All are homogeneous. Otherwise it is non-homogeneous. X plus 2y equal to 0, x square plus xy plus y square equal to 0. So these are all homogeneous equations, right? For non-homogeneous, see x square plus 2y plus xy. See, power of y is 1, but x square xy power 2. So non-homogeneous. Next, pair of straight lines. General form of pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines represent the combination of two individual straight lines, right? So multiplication of two individual straight lines will give pair of straight lines, right? So for example, 2x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0, one straight line. Then you can take x minus y plus 3 equal to 0, another straight line, right? So if you are multiplying these two, you will get the pair of straight line, the combination of these two straight lines. So consider the line equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, that is 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, that is 2. Now multiplying 1 into 2, a1x plus b1y plus c1 into a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, that is equation number 3. If the point P x1 y1 lies on the both lines 1 and 2, that is the point of intersection of this line 1 and 2, then a1 x1, it will satisfy the both equation, right? Instead of x you put x1 and y1, so the value of that equation is also 0. So a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 equal to 0, and a2 x1 plus b2 y1 plus c2 equal to 0. So now we are multiplying these two, a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 into a2 x1 plus b2 y1 into c2, that is also 0. 0 into 0, 0. So the point x1 y1 satisfy the equation 3, that is the combined equation 1 into 2, right? The combined equation of 1 and 2, right, is given by 3 implies. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 into a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So multiplying each and every term, a1x into a2x, a1 a2x square, a1x into b2y, a1 b2xy plus a1 x into c2, a1 c2x. Next term b1y a2x, b1 a2xy, b1 b2 y into y square, b1 c2 y. Next c1 a2x plus c1 b2y plus c1 c2 equal to 0. First write the x square term, a1 a2 x square, then xy term. There are two terms, a1 b2 plus b1 a2 into xy, right, common. Then x term, a1 c2 plus c1 a2, there are two terms into x. Similarly, there are two y terms, b1 c2 plus b2 c1 into y. Then y square term, b1 b2 y square plus c1 c2 equal to 0. So in your short form, ax square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus by square plus c equal to 0, where this is the general form where small a is equal to a1 into a2, right? Small b is equal to b1 b2, c equal to c1 c2. 2h is equal to a1 b2 plus b1 a2. 2g is equal to a1 c2 plus c1 a2. And 2f is equal to b1 c2 plus b2 c1. it is a non-homogeneous equation of degree 2 because so here you are having x term, y term and constant term. Next example, consider the line equation 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, 1 and x plus y minus 2 equal to 0, equation 2. The combined equation is 2x minus 3y plus 1 into x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Multiplying this, you will get 2x square plus 2xy minus 4x minus 3xy minus 3y square plus 6y plus x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x square minus xy minus 3x minus 3xy minus 3y square plus 7y minus 2 equal to 0, right? So you will get xy term minus xy only, right? There is no minus 3xy, that is wrong, right? Next, pair of straight line passes through the origin. General form, we know that general form of a straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The line passes through the origin, then the constant term is 0. Then the equation becomes ax plus by equal to 0. Consider the two lines passes through the origin. a1x plus b1y equal to 0, first equation, and a2x plus b2y equal to 0, second equation. Combined equation of 1 and 2 is a1x plus b1y into a2x plus b2y equal to 0. Multiplying this, a1 a2x square plus a1 b2xy plus b1 a2xy plus b1 b2y square, that is a1 into a2x square plus a1 b2 plus b1 a2xy plus b1 b2y square. So that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, where a is equal to a1 a2, b is equal to b1 b2 and 2h is equal to a1 b2 plus b1 a2, right? This is the general form of pair of straight line which is passing through the origin. It is homogeneous equation. Note that the power, first x square, xy power is 2, 1 plus 1, right? Then y square 2. Slope form, we know that slope intercept form of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. If it is passes through the origin, m is the slope, c is the y intercept. If the line passes through the origin, then c is equal to 0, right? So the equation of the line is y is equal to mx. Consider the two lines passes through the origin, y is equal to m1x, that is y minus m1x is equal to 0, that is equation number 1. Second equation, y is equal to m2x, y minus m2x is equal to 0, that is equation number 2. Now combination of these two, multiplying these two, y minus m1x into y minus m2x is equal to 0, that is y square plus m1 m2x square minus m1 plus m2xy, right? There are two terms, a minus m1 xy and minus m2xy. So taking minus and xy common, so you will get minus m1 plus m2 xy equal to 0. So y square minus m1 plus m2 xy plus m1 m2 x square equal to 0. This is the equation of a pair of straight line with slope m1 and m2 passes through the origin. Thanks.